evening, welcome to JK News Network. You are watching Evening Bulletin with Shaheen Ali. Here we bring updates from India and all over the world. So let's get the top news coverage. The White House on Saturday released two pictures showing US President Donald Trump working from the presidential suite of Walter Reed Military Medical Center, where he was admitted for COVID-19 treatment. Trump also released a video from the hospital saying that the next few days will be the real test of his treatment. US woman who sold stolen goods on eBay for 19 years jailed for 4.5 years. A 60-year-old US woman has been sentenced to 4.5 years in prison for stealing merchandise and selling it on eBay for 19 years. Investigators said she shoplifted the items as she traveled across the US and later sold them directly to customers on eBay. National level shooter Shreyashi Singh to join BJP today. National level shooter Shreyashi Singh will on Sunday join the Bharatiya Janata Party. She has won a gold medal in shooting at the 2018 Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast, Australia. According to reports, the shooter is expected to take oath in the presence of General Secretary Arun Singh and Bihar BJP President Sanjay Jaiswal. Hathras victim was being harassed for 4 months by accused mother. The Hathras victim's mother has said that the 19-year-old was being harassed by the accused for the last 4 months. On some occasions, they would spread out their hands and block her path if she tried to go past them. The mother added, she said her daughter had refused to step out of home alone due to the harassment. 96's 1,303 runs scored in 3 IPL 2020 matches in Sharjah so far. In the 3 IPL 2020 matches that took place in Sharjah so far, as many as 1,303 runs have been scored, including 96's. Teams have been able to cross the 200-run mark in each of the 6 IPL 2020 innings at the Sharjah. Further, there have been 11 individually 50-plus scores in the 3 matches. Padikkal shares throwback pictures with Kohli after match-winning partnership. RCB's 20-year-old opener Devdutt Padikkal took to Twitter to share 2 pictures of himself with Virat Kohli. In one of the pictures, a young Padikkal can be seen receiving a medal from Kohli, while the other picture was from their 99-run match-winning partnership against Rajasthan Royals on Saturday. Passion, purpose, progress, grateful. He captioned the post. NCB Deputy Director who questioned Deepika in drug case test COVID-19 positive. KPS Malhotra, the Deputy Director of Narcotics Control Bureau, has tested positive for coronavirus as per ANI. He is currently investigating the drug angle in actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. He was present during actress Deepika Padukone's interrogation in the drugs case, which took place on September 26. Sony responds as Kangana Ranaut says, young people don't just wake up and kill themselves. Sony Razdan has responded after Kangana Ranaut tweeted that young and extraordinary individuals don't just wake up and kill themselves. While commenting on AIMS report ruling out Sushant Singh Rajput's murder, no, they don't. That's the point. They suffer for many years, wrote Sony. It's important to address mental health and don't be ashamed to get treated, she added. Let's talk about Jharkhand. Jharkhand Minority Welfare Minister Haji Hussain Ansari gathered from Madhupur to the ancestral village of Pipra for a final darshan before he was given the task. There was a gathering of people from Mangoose to Special since Saturday night. Taking the dead body, Agriculture Minister Badal Patralekh reached Madhupur from Ranchi. The Chief Minister, MLA and others reached Madhupur to join the funeral of Haji Hussain Ansari. Thousands of women and men from the village of Madhupur Assembly in Pipra, the ancestral village of Minister Haji Hussain Ansari, started arriving early in the morning to have a glimpse of the minister's body. All the community and all parties, small and big leaders of the area came to Pipra village to see the body of the minister. The body of the minister was handed over at 2:30 p.m. In Jharkhand, tomorrow October 5 has been declared a government holiday under the order of the governor. The Department of Personnel has issued a notification for this. During this time of all offices under the government of Jharkhand will remain closed. The state government has announced 2 days of state mourning on the death of Minister Haji Hussain Ansari. During this time, the national flag will remain half-titled at government offices. With this, a holiday has been declared on Monday in all government offices. About 85,000 posts, including doctors and paramedical staff personnel, are lying vacant in the health department. Preparations are being made to fill this vacant posts. For this, the state government will take initiative soon. This was stated by Health Minister Banna Gupta in a conversation with reporters at the Circuit House on Sunday. Minister Banna Gupta said that the center is not extending the expected cooperation in the war with corona. The center's cooperation is comparable to cumin in a camel's mouth. The minister said that the health department is struggling with shortage of doctors and mercury medical staff. Some cases are in the court due to which even recruitment is not being done. Restoration process will be started by removing all the hurdles. So that's all for today. For more news updates, stay connected with JK News Network. Thank you.